What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get, we're going to be getting lots of assets in today's video for the next video where we're going to be importing all of it and designing our racetrack. So let's get into the video right now. So I'm just going to open up my Unity. I forgot to open it because I'm so dumb. No, I'm just joking. But we got an error, so we are gonna reactivate Unity for some reason, and I don't know what's going on. This is super weird. Unity, come on, please load. What is going on? Hello? Okay guys, so I have fixed Unity right now. It just answered me. If you get that error, it's just gonna ask you some questions about like if you're trying to get Unity for your business or whatever. So don't worry, I'm done with that now. It just asked me like 2 questions and I'm back. I thought I lost all of my game code for a sec, but we're all good. Let's load our game. I don't know what that was. Let's just load our game now. When I was testing Unity out 5 minutes ago, that did not happen. I don't know what happened. Alright. Okay, so this was our game. Let's just let it bake. Almost done. There we go. Okay, we're done. Alright. So what we're going to be doing in today's video, wait, let's go a bit up. So in the last video we added trees and ponds and stuff. In today's video, let's go in the asset store and I'm going to show you guys some assets I recommend you guys downloading for today's video. So yeah. So we're going to go into our search bar, and alright guys, so the video becomes a bit delayed right here, but this is voiceover Aryan again. So yeah, I think I'm going to be doing voiceovers from now on, but whatever, let's get into the video. So search up, so we're going to be getting some racetracks. So we're going to search up style, I don't even know how to say it, stylized and modular city. And we're going to scroll down to where it says, I'm going to hit on pricing. And I'm going to put that on 0, and we're going to search for free assets. That looks pretty good, I guess. That looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. These bridges and stuff, they look pretty good. I don't think I'm going to be using these. You guys can use them if wanted. I'm not, because I'm making a natural game with like flowers and trees and stuff. Flowers, I mean trees and stuff like that, and like rocks. So I'm not gonna be using that. So what I'm gonna search up now is glowing forest. So let me just backspace that, and let's search up glowing forest. There we go. And then let's go into the pricing. Make it 0. Free assets. We got 10. And there we go, right there. Okay, so as you can see, these trees look insane and they look so good right now. So I'm gonna be downloading this. It is by Scythian Cat, so you guys can look at that. I'm gonna look at some more. Yeah, I don't think there's any good, so I'm just gonna download that. Let's go. Hit the download button. Okay, that was quick. Let's import it. I'm joking. Well, okay, so we should get a new file once it imports. We'll wait for it to import now. Nearly done. And we will be done almost. There we go. Okay, now you can see some errors in the console. So, don't worry about them, just clear them. Nothing really important. It's just like some fake errors. It won't change anything in your game. It won't do anything. Don't worry about them. Just clear them. It won't do anything. So I'm just gonna see. Yep, glowing forest. Yep, we got it. And as you can see, we got like prefabs and stuff like stone bridge. Oh, these look really cool right now. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, we got water as well. Wow, gee. Okay, we're gonna go back to assets because in the last video I said we're gonna be getting like we're gonna be making box colliders for the buildings. So I'm gonna hit the buildings prefab. So prefabs. Hey, wait, no, let's go nature. So since we're making nature, say this tree here. I'm gonna open the prefab. We're going to go into don't change the layer. This is a mistake I made. Don't change it. Don't do that. Just hit default. My bad. Accident right there. All you want to do is go on to add component, and you want to search up instead of controller. You want to do box collider. And don't do the box collider 2D, just 3D, and then tick the box. Make sure it's ticked. And there. And now when you try and run into the buildings, it will collide with it. So yeah. But anyway, that was the last video. We're just gonna go back to the scene we were in. There we go. So yeah. Now let's see where we're going to go. We are gonna go and let's search up medieval town I don't even know how to say this word. I don't even know. Honestly, just search it up. It's for our game. So search this exterior. I don't even know. Put the free assets on, and I think we have this one. This is insane. If one change we have to do is that you have to upgrade Unity to download it. It looks really nice, but as you can see, one thing is you have to have the upgraded Unity version to download it. As you can see, it's right next to the download button. So yeah, sad life. But one place we can go if you have that version and you still don't like it, just search up I think it was race. Yeah, race. Search up just race on its own, and you want to go and find some free stuff. So I'm gonna go and find the free stuff. Oh wait, there's no free stuff. Wow, there is no free stuff. Let's go. So what I'm gonna search up now, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna probably go to the top. Yep, I'm gonna search up lake racing, I think. Yeah, lake racetrack. Search that up. Then you will see a lake racetrack. Yep, right there. This is insane. It is free, and it's got like over 50 views, over 50 reviews. So definitely worth getting. Really good for making a natural game because there are loads of cool trees, very high quality trees. So definitely go check check this out and download it because this one is really good. I definitely recommend you guys checking it out. And we are going to be deleting assets because as you can see, my storage is at 70. So don't worry if you're running out of storage. We're going to be deleting some assets in the next video. As you saw, my storage was 70. So yeah, I'm all good, but some of you guys may have like 10 storage, 10 gigabytes. So yeah, and if you really want to do this, then you got to delete some of your assets so it doesn't take a lot of your computer storage. So yeah, and we'll wait for it to download. This is actually a pretty big downloading thing. So yeah, 100 gigs, 200 gigs almost, really big. So yeah, we'll try this now. We're gonna import it. Now import, and I'm gonna show you guys a trick because we should get another file, I think. should get another file anytime. Okay. Wait for it to import and then we should get another file. Importing small assets, okay. There we go. Okay, now we got some errors as you can see, and if you go in our scene, you will see that this is our thing, our lake. I would advise you not to copy everything on this, so yeah, definitely don't copy it. That's a copyright. I'm just gonna use like these trees, this bridge and stuff, but that's really all I'm gonna use. So as you can see now, we have loads and loads of files. Let me just go back. We have loads and loads of files. So I am going to make it organized, and I'm going to right click, and we're going to hit create folder, and we're just going to put any asset. We're going to type in store assets. So store, and then assets. There we go. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put anything that we did not make into our game, so, into our folder. So whatever we didn't make, we're going to put it into our store assets folder. So whatever we bought from the asset store, put it in that store assets so it looks much more clean. Your game looks, your asset folders look much more clean. As you can see, it looks way better. It looks like we just downloaded our game, so it looks way better now. But yeah, as you can see, we have like 4 of the files in there. So yeah guys, that's pretty good. Okay, so I might put one of the textures into the textures and materials. Yeah, I'll put that. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all we can, yeah, that's all we can put in. Okay. But anyway, make sure to have at least 4, wait, let me go. At least have 4 of the asset files, at least 4 at least, because in the next video we're going to be designing our game with these assets. So definitely make sure to have 4 files of assets, full of assets and stuff. So yeah guys, right now game looks like a piece of junk. Not gonna lie. So in the next video we will be doing that. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. So yeah, let's just go ahead and save our game, and we should be able to save it now, and we can exit out of Unity, because that is the end of today's video. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.